Experience the delightful combination of this fiber-rich meal and its garlic bread. Cut the flatbread in half crosswise. Mince the garlic. Then heat a pan with a drizzle of oil. Sauté the garlic. Then press the flatbread cut side down into the pan to toast. Flip to the other side and repeat. Drain the beans and rinse them in a sieve with cold water. Cut the radishes into quarters. Grate the lemon to get some zest before cutting it into 4 wedges. In a small bowl, combine the yogurt with the lemon zest, a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of harissa powder, the mustard, some salt, and a splash of water. Heat another pan with a drizzle of olive oil. Score the fish. Season the fish with salt and rub it with the remaining harissa. Fry the sea bass until the inside is no longer translucent. Meanwhile, mix the beans, lettuce, and radishes with 3/4 of the yogurt. Add salt and pepper to taste. Almost ready. Divide the salad between plates. Arrange the fish on top and drizzle with the remaining dressing. Serve with the garlic bread and the lemon wedges. Enjoy this delicious meal, rich in omega-3 and with the right tang.